So you have asked me how to create a matrix using Charticulator, and I am going to show you the closest way you can do it and also how you can create a heat map with it. Okay, so first of all, if you don't have it, go to here and get more visuals and get the Charticulator visual. I have used from the Northwind dataset 3 columns. This one I'm going to use your category name and sales, and then we're going to click on the Charticulator visual to turn this into Charticulator visual. Go to edit as always, and then we're going to create a chart. Now, if you think about it, the matrix is basically like squares with information. So what we're going to do is drop the marquee rectangle into the canvas. Make sure that you have all the fields that you need into your canvas in here. And then we're going to change the way it stacks by using a grid. And we're going to change this to category and put the year on the y-axis and the category name on the x-axis. And now it starts to look like a matrix, right? Something else I want to do is to add text for the actual values. So drop a text in there, put it in the middle, maybe a little bit left adjust like in Power BI, and add sales to the text. And this is starting to look a little bit like a matrix, right? You won't get the exact Power BI look, maybe with a lot of tweaking, but I don't think it's necessary maybe. Well, it depends on what you're trying to do. Let's put this 0s, so we get the thousands in there. Now, to get a matrix, we need to change this to the upper side. So here on appearance, just put it on the opposite. And now this is new here. You have the possibility to put wrap text or look vertical text. How cool is that? I'm going to use wrap. I prefer that. And we'll put it horizontal. And then I'm going to make it a little bit smaller and just adjust this a little bit so it fits in the canvas. One of the things that you can do here that is also pretty cool is to color. If you would like to create a heat map, you can just go to the shape and then drop the sails into the fill, and it will color black and white as default, but then you can change it to whatever you want, and this is like a pretty neat chart. But if you want to have more than matrix styles, you can color these boxes white, and then you can have the background a little bit more like grayish or something, so you get the lines. So this looks more like a matrix. So it depends on what you want to do it, but this is a pretty neat matrix, right? Check this out. And then you can see the top selling products and yeah, all that good stuff. So this is how you create a matrix in Charticulator. Let me know if you have any other suggestions for visualizations you want to create in Charticulator, and I will give them a go. See you next week. Bye.